Hi, this is Chad with Sherry Vans, and today I'm going to be showing you a new addition to our lot. This is a 2022 Chrysler Voyager that's been converted into a rear entry wheelchair van by a company called Voyager. So let's have a look here. So this has key fob here that controls everything. Lock it, unlock it with this. Has remote start. Hit that 2 times so remote start. You can also open both of the power sliding doors from the key fob and open up the back hatch as well. So this setup is a little different. I've never seen one of these before where they kept the stow and go and the floor here with these 2 chairs behind the driver and passenger seat. So you can pull this little tab here and this thing will fold and go right down into the floor. This here, lift that up and that chair goes right down in there, which is pretty neat. And also about impossible to show you with holding this camera in one of my hands. So this one also has 2 little seats here that will turn around, and so you could have 7 in this van, or 5 plus the wheelchair. So here you've got the ramp all folded down where you can still have this flat. These little chairs. It's pretty neat. And you pull this, and it's gonna lift up that ramp. So there's the little like cavity that the wheelchair would be in. You pull this handle up there and it drops it back down, and then push down on this handle and it flips the ramp down. Hold the chair up. We've got ratchets there to secure the wheelchair, and then these other ones will slide to the slide clicks. That's right there. It'll slide right on. So this is unique. I've never seen one set up like this before. This ramp is aluminum. It's really light. Then you've got a separate button here, and it's like that on all these all the doors. The back one and the sliding doors here. Push that button. Now I'm just going to do a lap around it and point out any damage or blemishes I can find. Little scratch here, little scratch there. Tires are brand new. We put brand new tires on it. That's just, I don't know what it is, but it's coming right off. This door is definitely opened up into something. You can see that dent in it there. This thing is dirty. It needs a bath. A little bit of scratches on that. Reverse camera. Now this side, it's not scratched up, but there are some dents in that door. I don't know if you can see that crease right here. Come down, and then this is dented up there. Not sure how that happened. Almost looks like it was kicked or something. So another one right here. See that dent or not? Hopefully you can see these in the video. This is a little scuffed up here. You kind of see a wheelchair emblem on the hood. So there used to be a handicap logo decal on the front of the hood. I don't know if you can see that or not, but does have the passive entry on it, where you can just like walk up to the handles and open it without actually having to pull the fob out. Front seats power here. Got power windows, power locks, auto headlights, Bluetooth controls here, cruise controls here, steering wheel tilts and telescopes. 58,799 miles on it. Got heated front seats, heated steering wheel, AM, FM, satellite radio. This also has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, so you can plug your phone in down here, and then it's going to mirror whatever maps you have on your phone. So you have like Google Maps or whatever up here, so you know it doesn't have navigation, but you can still have the navigation displayed on that screen. And here's a third set of buttons that will open all the doors and stuff in the back. We've also got rear climate control there. So again, this is a 2022 Chrysler Voyager. It's been upfitted into a rear entry wheelchair accessible van by Driverge. We are Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. I'm Chad the Van Man. If you got any questions on this van or any of these other vans I've got out here, please reach out to me. All my contact info is in the first comment beneath this video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.